Making money with Snapchat can be achieved through various strategies, primarily leveraging the platform's features and audience engagement. Here's a brief guide. Snapchat Premium. Offer exclusive content through a premium Snapchat account. Users pay for access to personalized, private content, often in the form of photos or videos. Brand partnerships. Build a strong following and collaborate with brands for sponsored content. Companies may pay you to promote their products or services to your Snapchat audience. Affiliate marketing. Share affiliate links on your Snapchat stories, encouraging followers to make purchases through your unique links. Earn commissions for each sale generated. Snapchat Discover. If eligible, create and submit content to Snapchat Discover. This feature allows you to monetize your content directly through advertising revenue. Sell products or services. Promote and sell your products or services directly to your Snapchat audience. Use the platform to showcase offerings and drive sales. Crowdfunding. Engage with your followers and seek support through crowdfunding platforms. Ask for donations or crowdfund specific projects or endeavors. Premium filters and lenses. If you're skilled in graphic design, create custom filters and lenses that users can purchase for their snaps. This is possible through Snapchat's Lens Studio.